Ilya too, Cloud9 founder. Really helpful and really smart. He really knows his stuff. He really did help us out a lot, and he's really cool. He's really fun to work with. I was bothering him all day, all night. He didn't complain out one time. I really was trying to thank you guys. And shout out to the drivers too. Those guys are awesome too.
I just graduated from Temple of Computer Science majors.
Okay. So actually, we just met on Friday. Is that? Oh, I'm sorry. Is that the Fed down there? Oh, it's just the blue screen. I'm sorry, I didn't know that. So, like I said, we just met on Friday, and we decided to partner up and. Sorry for those who are recording this. Let me know if we're awkward for you. All right, this is a little better now. Can you guys see?
We see you.
Yep. All right. So, so what we did was we took some sales location data from the website, which is here, as you can see. So, just to give you an idea, what we did was, if as you see this stuff here is what the sales location by region. So what we decided to do is go on each one. And I sat down all night and copied and pasted each one to a database. No, I'm just kidding, I didn't really do that. Ilya really helped me out with the JavaScript. We used something called Node.js. Basically what we did was we called the website, we went through each region, and what we did was we sucked all the data from the site and put it in a database in Cloud9. And we created API, and the Android application just calls API and gets data information. So you want to go from here?
Yeah, we can show you the well, what we were working on, we wanted to use SEPTA's own API because they have something similar to this, but it didn't have the token information or any of the specifics about each stop. So we went ahead and built our own. And then we were working with Cloud9, we were learning it as we were building it, and it had a lot of powerful features. Like we were able to get the geotag locations simply from the addresses and put that in, even though that's on SEPTA. And then it also lets you put in your location. Based on your location, it will give you the stops around you. We were still playing with how to display all that because the Android library is kind of new. So right now, it's just displaying all of the stops. And then, so for this first screen, it's showing you the money symbol stands for if they only accept cash. And then as you scroll down, so we're trying to change it to here. And then the SEPTA 15th Street sales office, they accept cards, so they'll show you that they accept cards. And if you click on one, it'll pop down to the location and show you the view of the location in the map view. It'll tell you what times it's open and what it sells, tokens, the maps. And it'll show you the passes, which passes it sells, and this one accepts cards and cash.
Yeah. That's pretty much it. So the reason we don't really have much, so when we first started, I came in with an idea, I was going to do everything on back end, I was going to do this great idea, then Ilya came by and said, hey guys, use Cloud9. So I said, I really don't know about that, but it's a hackathon. It's all about learning and really learn something new, meeting great people, and really come up with a good idea. So he showed us a lot of the insides about Cloud9. I recommend anybody who don't really have the knowledge to work on the back end to really check our Cloud9 because it does a lot of work for you. He has a lot of cool libraries in there and the APIs. He does a lot for you. A lot of stuff is all known. It's really cool library to work in. And we also had
they're always expanding.
What's that?
They're always expanding their
libraries.
libraries.
Right. So we actually had a third partner. She didn't make it today. I think it was Pam.
Yeah, it was Pam.
So, okay, so she kind of took us out. So we spent a lot more time picking up a lot of her work. So we don't have much. As you can see, just another small feature that we had here. We added menus.
Oh yeah,
So
I got the menu.
So right now this just displays West. I think this is West Middle.
I think that's all of them because we're playing with the geotag location.
Okay.
Because we're going to expand it so it would default to what's around you, and then if you want to look by regions, you'll be able to look by regions like on the website. But right now, I think it's displaying everything. So we haven't there yet.
So once we get it, play with it a little bit more, what we'll probably do is have those buttons. Those buttons actually don't work right now. We'll just have those buttons work. We can switch, change the regions, and find out what exactly is in the region. And also, what we have was zip codes. What we're going to do is take the zip codes and put the headers in there because, as you can see now, you just see, okay, these are just a bunch of data. but all these locations aren't in the same area, in the same zip code. So it's something that we want to get done too. And one comment I want to make towards SEPTA was that the hardest thing about the project was trying to get this data parsed correctly. As you can see, there's not really, I don't say uniform, the uniform way they did it. They kind of said, as you can see, like area code and location, and then the bus location, the hours. It differs from each one in different regions. So that was the hardest part. I spent a lot of my day yesterday trying to figure out how can I get these things broken down and put correctly. Because the biggest problem I had was if you look at this here, 30th Street Station. What we did was I took that string and I threw it in the geolocator. But when you throw it in the geolocator, Google says, okay, what's a train terminal? I don't know where a train terminal is. So what it would do is it would fail. And I was just like, oh man, I quit. I don't want to do it anymore. But Ilya, the great recorder that he is, and Chris Alfano, they helped me put a solution together, and it worked out pretty good. So we were able to look through the data, pull all the data back. Let me just show you that. Pull all the data back, put it in the app, and as you can see, it's a little more prettier and so on and so forth.
Ideally, we wanted to use the SEPTA API at first, but we just needed the extra information there. So I mean, we could use our data, but I think the cloud mine was really, really powerful with all the different geolocation features it has that we wanted to play around with that a little bit more.
And also, too, another feature that at the last minute we decided to scrape was the distance between. So when you click on one of these buttons here, one of the variables that comes back along with the token data and other data is the geotag, which you want to add to. And what you basically what that is to take where you want to go and where you are now, and just basically give you a nice distance of.
We just set that up with cloud mine, and it would display the distance, and that was one of the features we were working on.
Cloud mine's cool, so I think everybody.
You got that.
I reiterate this because I really want a free T-shirt. So these T-shirts are really nice. I asked one of the other cloud members. He said I have to work to get one, so hopefully, I consider giving